We have quite some interesting update as well as Jupiter Airdrop, the newest one, which yes, they're coming, and airdrops to claim and check. So with that said, we jump straight onto laptop. First thing is the Jupiter Airdrop. As we see here, they are launching GAM, and there is a waitlist to register. So I will leave the link down below. Simply go and register over here. No code needed. Simply put your email and you are good to go. Now, for Jupiter Season 2, this is a credential as well as utilizing their platform, swapping and trading. So I will leave the go to link down below, especially if you just want to open a $5 trade. I do suggest you to go and do it. It is very important. Everybody switching to this DeFi decentralized platform. Just put $5 in Solana if you have it, $10 in Solana, and go and trade on their platform. I will leave you the link to go and join down below. Next up, talking about a decentralized airdrop. Here we go, a 10x multiplier if you go and trade altcoin. This is Gravity, and Gravity, as we see here, they got a point system, they got a ranking, and they are going to have an airdrop in Q1 2026. So it is coming soon and you're still able to go and trade. Now, as we see here, if you go to the airdrop page, we get a 10x multiplier on altcoin trading, which is what I am doing. As we see here, I have a long position over on Hype and a long position over on Link. So now I am getting 10x the points because I'm trading these tokens as well as holding them. So if you are a trader, make sure to go and trade on Gravity. I will leave the link down below. And as we see here, Gravity is pulling over 2 billion consistently every day. And we can see this nice growth until they will have the airdrop. So very, very important for you to go and join Gravity, GRBT. I will leave the link down below. Trading deposit from Arbitrum. And you are good to go. As we've seen here also with my portfolio, I got some funding, I got some perpetual trading. I'm not the best traders, but very, very good to go and do. Next up, a reminder for the Superform airdrop. As we see here, the registration will close in 2 days. So if you are eligible or if you didn't even check, make sure to go and get check up over on Superform. I will leave the link down below. This is the website. Click over here on enter, connect your wallet, your email, and let me know your allocation down below. Super, super easy to go and do. I'm not gonna waste your time by doing all of this myself. Next up, you can go and claim your first MetaMask airdrop. As we see here, there are 2 NFTs available for you to go and claim depending on your level. Which one is a common and one is a rare? But over here, one is worth $9 and one is worth $1, for example, from this person right here. So make sure to go and check them out because it's still better than not just leaving it there. Make sure to be active for them. We also have the Echelon airdrop claim is live. The link will be down below. Simply once you access it, so simply go to the bottom there, connect the wallet, connect your Pontem, your backpack, whichever one you want, and let me know your allocation down below. I'm not gonna go and waste your time with it. But as we see here, 5% of the total token supply is for the SENA holders. So make sure to go and check it, connect the wallet, let's say the Phantom, and you got the idea. You keep on going. Next up, we have the Arceum airdrop checker is also live. You can go and check through this link here, through this page here. You can enter the encrypted portal, continue to the login, authenticate with Discord or whatnot. Not gonna waste your time once again, but it is super easy to go and do. So easy peasy, super fast video. Make sure to go and claim your airdrop. Make sure to go and check your airdrop as well. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you are new and you like this type of videos. And with that said, I will see you all in tomorrow's one. Ciao, guys.